Nanubabo Kabalen, welcome to Warren Pampanga. Guys, nakikita nyo ba yung nasa background ko ngayon? So, ito ang trending na pamamaraan kung paano maitatayo ang mga properties, mga bahay, ng bukod sa napakadali, napakamura na, nagtatagal pa sila. So, sa video na to, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Novaliches upang bisitahin ang EasyBuild at ang Spectrum Icon Tech upang malaman pa ng mas maigi ang ganitong technique na maaaring kailangan na kailangan mo ngayon. So, samahan niyo ako. Tara!
Kung wala ka pa nito at papipiliin ka sa halagang 1 milyon, kotse o bahay. Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we would like to present you our prefab container priced at 185,000, 3 meter by 6 meter. It has 18 square meter area, 3 meter by 6 meter with fiber cement mold, SPC ceiling, IEPS wall panel, and this one comes with a bathroom complete with lavatory and water closet that costs 45,000 pesos with bidet, shower, and windows. Possible for us as a studio house, family that are starting out, study room or extension of the house to be used as storage. Now let's go to the upgraded unit on the other side. Welcome to the upgraded unit. This one comes in a 24 square meter area, measuring 4 meter by 6 meter, one room, and up to accommodate a queen size bedroom or even king. And it has a dining area and a kitchen area with sink and cabinet, a decent bathroom with tiles on the floor and tiles on the wall as well. This one is upgraded unit, multiple lightings, upgraded pin light, SPC flooring. This has a stronger floor purlins, industrial grade, wherein you can even jump on it without any shakes. So you will see the difference between other companies' prefab compared to ours. As you can see, we have graded the metal columns and beams to be thicker and more robust. This unit is built up, kaya matibay siya in challenging conditions like strong winds or heavy rains. Perfect for area prone to harsh weather. Their structure will last for years and you can rely on their durability in any environment. You will notice this is our 3D finishes. Maganda po siya at scratch proof. Guaranteed na magtatagal siya. Kitang-kita nyo po, parang hindi nyo siya masasabing metal. You can feel like leather. And the water will not stick to this. And guaranteed na hindi siya kakalawangin. Bagay po siya sa mga farms, sa mga beach resort, or bed and breakfast.
Bukod sa HDFCB, meron pa kami ibang gustong i-highlight sa aming prefab. For walls, fire-resistant IPS insulation panels para mas matibay at safe na walls sa inyong mga bahay. And gawa din ito sa thicker steel sheet to added strength and durability. For our floors, mas malalaking floor purlins ang gamit namin para mas sturdier at stable na floorings para sa bahay niyo. Sa ceiling naman, gawa ito sa WPC para high-end and modern feel sa bahay. Lastly, our Gen2 roof design na leak-proof for long-lasting durability. This is our 6x4 prefab, and dahil mas bigger space siya compared sa standards natin na 6x3, pwede natin lagyan ito ng bedroom. So, this is our 1-bedroom 6x4 unit or kitchen set. Then our bathroom.
Meron kaming i-install ngayon sa Bulacan na 6 na apartment. Makikita nyo kung gaano siya popular ngayon dahil marami pong naka-line up na nagpapagawa ng 4 meter by 6 meter para gawing bahay na paupahan.
Hindi lang prefab homes ang kaya namin gawin. We can do any infrastructure projects like warehouses, cold storage facilities, and other infrastructures. Our company can manage any construction of any scale.
Sa EasyBuild at Icon Tech, hindi lang po prefab containers ang ginagawa namin dito, kundi mga conventional construction like hotels, resorts, commercial center, and even residential. That's all for today. If you have further questions about this video, you can reach me at this number below, or you can reach me at our website at www.easybuildprefab.com. See you next time.